EagleRidge, Murray, Utah's premier roofing contractor. Welcome to EagleRidge, the leading roofing contractor in Murray, Utah, proudly serving the 84107, 84123, and 84157 zip codes with top-quality residential and commercial roofing services. Whether you need a new roof installation, expert repairs, or routine maintenance, our experienced team is here to help. With decades of expertise, premium materials, and a commitment to customer satisfaction, EagleRidge is the trusted choice for all your roofing needs in Murray and beyond. Don't wait. Call us today at 801-784-1457 to schedule your free roofing inspection, or visit our website at EagleRidgePros.com to learn more about our services. At EagleRidge, we offer comprehensive roofing solutions for both residential and commercial properties in Murray, Utah. Here's what we can do for you. New roof installation. Roof repair and maintenance to extend the life of your roof. Full roof replacements for damaged or aging roofs. Detailed roof inspections to catch issues early. Storm damage assessments and repairs. Gutter installation and repair. Ice and water shield installation for enhanced durability. Soffits and fascia installation and repair. Shake shingle sealing and treatment. Installation and maintenance of all types of shingles. Siding installation and repair for added curb appeal. Ventilation solutions, including attic and roof ventilation. Swamp cooler installations and removal. Sealing and caulking to improve energy efficiency and weatherproofing. Commercial roof installation and replacement. EagleRidge Peak Protection Plan for preventative maintenance. Flat roof repair and installation. Metal roofing systems for maximum durability. TPO, EPDM, and other membrane roofing systems. Roof coatings to extend your roof's lifespan. Soffits and fascia services tailored for commercial buildings. Siding installation and maintenance for commercial properties. Ventilation solutions for energy-efficient commercial spaces. Swamp cooler installations and removal at commercial sites. Commercial-grade sealing and caulking to protect your building. EagleRidge isn't just a roofing contractor. We're your partners in protecting your property. Here's why Murray residents choose us. Decades of experience in both residential and commercial roofing projects. A commitment to using premium materials and industry best practices. Transparent pricing with no hidden fees. Proven customer satisfaction backed by glowing reviews. Our team works efficiently to complete projects on time and within budget. Serving the Salt Lake Valley, we proudly extend our roofing services beyond Murray to Salt Lake City, West Valley City, Sandy, Draper, and Taylorsville. When it comes to roofing, don't settle for less. Choose EagleRidge for high-quality, reliable roofing services tailored to your needs. Call us today at 801-784-1457 for your free roofing inspection, or visit us online at EagleRidgePros.com to learn more. EagleRidge, Utah's premier roofing and construction experts.